you love the music and you like a idea of a short pledge drive that you give right now. 888-995-9272, classicalwcrb.org.
We had a friend over in Somersworth say, thank you for the wonderful music and for introducing me to Dvorak. Well, we were very happy to do so. If you were introduced to something on WCRB, please use that as the perfect reason to give right now at classicalwcrb.org, 888-995-9272.
And get in on our limited offer. We have the Eton Emergency Radio as a thank you gift. It's just $10 a month on the Sustainer plan. This one is the new one. It's got the AM/FM, the NOAA Weather Service channel. It's got multiple power sources, so you don't need batteries any time of the year. And it's got the LED flashlight built in. Can give your cell phone an emergency charge. It is a must-have for our part of the country. The new Eton, yours again. It's just today. So don't miss out. 888-995-9272, classicalwcrb.org.
You know you have to keep up with the news, especially with such an important election coming up. But sometimes the news just feels relentless, and that's why there's WCRB. We're always here to provide that welcome respite with Respighi, Rodrigo, Bach, Bernstein. The music of WCRB helps you escape the noise and find your way back to where sanity resides. Donate now to keep WCRB here for Boston. 888-995-9272 or classicalwcrb.org.
And I want to send a big thank you out to Stephen listening in Brookline. And Stephen says, you all rock my day with beautiful music. Thank you. Thanks so much. Stephen, we really appreciate your comment. We appreciate you giving. We hope you'll join with him right now. We have $3,100 left to raise in just these last 25 minutes. It may seem like a big goal, but here's the deal. This drive is almost over. We only have a few hours left, and so keeping on track with these hourly goals is going to help us to end successfully. So please, if you can right now, $3,100 to go in just these last 25 minutes. 888-995-9272, classicalwcrb.org.
And when you support WCRB at just $10 a month, we will thank you with the new Eton Radio. This thing is cool. The new model that features solar power. Plus, you got that hand crank, so no need for batteries. It gets AM/FM and the National Weather Service channel. Even has an LED flashlight built in. Sign up as a sustaining member at $10 a month, or give $120 all at once, and we'll thank you with the Eton Emergency Radio. The deadline to get the Eton is coming up at 7 when the membership drive ends, but don't wait. Donate now. classicalwcrb.org. Call 888-995-9272.
And if you appreciate listening to Jesse and you appreciate all the hosts, I'm asking you to please stop for a moment and think about how much you value